Basically, today's patient is a repair job because the previous hair restoration that he's done, unfortunately, the angle direction is completely out. It is not the way that is looking natural. So the transplantation was done a bit very high, not acute in the hairline, and there's so many double and triple follicles at the hairline. So it's very important. The qualification of the doctors is so important so that you go to the right doctor and get the best results. Otherwise, you'll end up like this patient, where the direction and angle is all mixed up, and the angle is so not acute, is so high up, and double, triple grafts are all at the hairline. So repair job is very tedious. So what I've done is I've just lowered the hairline a little bit because the patient really wants its confident back. He's wearing a cap because of this, because his friends make fun of this. So choosing the right doctor is very important in this procedure. Most patients sometimes think of just the price without seeing the qualification of the doctors. The qualification, the doctors, and the experience of the doctors is very important because it's a long learning curve. Where hair transplant is concerned, it's a specialty by itself. So please, to all those who wants to do hair transplant, make sure you find a doctor that's qualified, like the American Board of Hair Restoration Diplomat and a fellow in the International Society of Hair Restoration. They are the highest international authority for hair transplant. So this patient right now is in the right place for a repair job that he did in another clinic, and which is so unhappy and not natural at all. So thank you so much for choosing the right clinic.